Hi, my name is Geetika and today I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy gond laddu which does not have any sugar and has plenty of dry fruits. For this recipe, we will be needing 100 grams of the ingredients that I'm going to mention. Dry coconut, wheat flour, walnuts, dates, almonds, watermelon seeds, fig, cashew nuts, gond also known as edible gum, 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee and khaskhas or white poppy seeds. To start off with this recipe, I'm going to add some of the ghee onto a pan. Then I'm going to add the almonds into it. After frying it, I'm going to add the cashew nuts into it too. Then I'm going to add the walnuts into it. After frying it, I'm going to transfer the cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts into a plate. Now, without wasting the ghee, we're going to add the fig and the dates into it. Now I'm going to transfer the fig and the dates into a plate. Now with the same ghee, we're going to add the watermelon seeds into it and fry it. Then I'm going to add the poppy seeds into it. Now again, I'm going to transfer the poppy seeds and the watermelon seeds onto another plate, and it's okay if there is still some of the poppy seeds left on our pan. Now I'm going to add the wheat flour into it. Then fry it. Now I'm going to transfer the wheat flour into a plate. Now add the rest of the ghee onto the pan. And then add the edible gum into it and fry it properly. After frying it well, transfer it into a bowl. Now with the ghee we have left over, we're going to fry the coconut. After frying it, transfer it into a bowl. Then take a blender and add the wheat flour into it. Then add the dates and the fig into it. And blend it. After blending it, add some of the cashew nuts, walnuts and the almonds. And then add some of the poppy seeds and some of the watermelon seeds. And then add some of the edible gum. And blend it together. After blending it, add the mixture onto a big plate. And add the rest of the edible gum that we had not added into the blender. Now add the fried coconut into it too. Now add the rest of the walnuts, cashew nuts and the almonds. Now add the rest of the poppy seeds and the watermelon seeds. Now thoroughly mix it together. then shape it into a ball, so then our laddu will be ready. Super healthy Gond laddu is ready. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, press the like button and subscribe to my channel and watch all of my other videos. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Try this recipe at your home and see you in my next video. Bye!